one bite will leave you wanting more.
Where did I come from? Protect I will!
The skies are waiting. Celestial blessings be upon you.
My own fate holds no secrets from me. The fate of the cookie world lies in my hands.
Can we ask you for a favor? It's not as scary. Together.
Ah, new cookies to live under. Oh, now I need a bigger crown.
All right, it's time for some real action. Still needs some hammering.
I wonder what's over there. Time to explore some more.
Don't leave without me.
I want to try something new.
Cookies, follow my lead.
Don't underestimate the forest. I think I've mastered hunting.
Lies and trickery conjure up the perfect world of delusion.
I want to make music that's true to who I am.
Now then, how about a sweet
Candy Apple Cookie and I go way back. That little brat.
We've got a... Want to bring... Looks like my microphone has its eye on you.
Ugh, gotta find
Magic is not for everyone.
You're all syrup. Get it? This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
Show's over.
This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
Show's over.
This is my penitence.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you for waiting, honorable cookies. Are you all enjoying yourselves? We have more fun prepared for the day. Contestants, please gather at the Princess Corner. Those who are late will be automatically disqualified.
The Princess's Corner? Where's that?
I don't recall a place like that from my days at the palace. It seems that it's been prepared for the contest.
Then let's try this way.
You're gonna go? Just like that? Hey, you could get disqualified if you're wrong, you know.
Don't worry, I've got a good feeling about this. Besides, I used to play here all the time.
Good. This is our chance.
Yes, sir.
Where are you looking? I'm over here, Doughbrain. This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
This is my penitence. The sweet taste of victory.
Licorice cookie! Bad cat! Please come this way! Hurry!
Is it just me, or is he talking real funny? Yeah, what? When you're addressing the princess, you should say, hey, whatever's gotten into you, snap out of it. How can you expect to take over the kingdom with that attitude? Now gotta commit! Did you just hiss at me?
Enough! You come down!
He's super into it.
Oh? You lot. You passed the preliminaries?
You betcha! Her Highness, the Choco Warehound Princess, is beauty, is grace, and will win the race! Wasn't he fuming at the prince?
Oh, look! Over there! I see a bunch of contestants. It looks like we're at the right place after all.
Contestants, the clock is ticking. Please stand by. I'll be explaining the next event now.
Boy, you lot over there! Hurry up! Time's almost over!
All will be mine!
This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
We cannot hesitate.
I'd do anything for Shadow Milk Cookie. You fool! I'd do anything for Shadow Milk Cookie. You could say I was born You could say I was Shadow Milk Cookies. Where are you looking? I'm over here, Dough Brain. Sweet on the outside, a fun secret on the inside. Sweet on the outside, mix and mash, and turn it into sticky, gooey toffee. Sweet on the outside, lies and trickery conjure up the perfect world of delusion. Mix and mash, and you could say a Shadow Milk Cookie is gonna love this. You could say I was born to lie.
All will be mine!
Into that!
This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
Into that!
This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
As you are all aware, the Hollyberry Kingdom consists of many noble houses. Each house is famous for its berries, and oh, so rightfully so! Our berries are fresh, plump, and juicy. Now, it's only natural that our berry juices made from these rich berries are the finest in all of Earthbread, which is why the next event is related to our famed berry juice. Drum roll, please!
I feel like it's gonna be something big.
Oh, maybe it'll be like a blind taste test. You'd have to guess which berry juice it is. I heard freshly squeezed blueberry juice is good for the mind.
The Grace!
Huh?
There's nothing sadder than throwing away your hard-worked berry juice because it went bad. That's why you gotta roll the barrel regularly to mix up the juice from time, which is why every Hollyberry princess is required to run atop the rolling barrels with royal grace and noble prowess. Now, contestants, please get up on the berry barrels. If you fall, you'll be disqualified.
What? What? Oh dear, oh dear. I'm almost sure the barrels are gonna crash!
No worries! The barrels of Hollyberry Kingdom contain the passion of the masters, making them extra durable. They can withstand anything, even...
I can barely get up on one.
Woohoo! Look at me, everyone. I'm up. How's everyone doing?
Easy peasy.
I must stay down and protect Her Highness.
Cookies on barrels, 2 o'clock. Go get 'em!
Ha! I knew it! Meddlers! Everyone, get back! Let me give them a taste of my magic! There's always someone that's trying to bring others down. Looks like we can sit back on this one, eh? Princess?
Pesky little crumbs! Scram! Don't make me lose my balance!
What in the... Rise, licorice minions! Go and take down anyone who dares to come in the way of our princess!
Did Licorice Cookie just help us?
No! I didn't help you! They were in Choco Warehound Princess's way! How dare they? Yes! It's not over yet. Look! A bunch of them are coming this way! And it's not just the meddlers, but other contestants are coming at us too!
Oh, this won't do. Everyone, we gotta roll our way out of here. Follow me.
All will be mine!
This is my penitence.
All will be mine!
This is my penitence.
All will be mine! So, where
are the spoils?
Now comes the line. The culprit is... Things always seem perfect in the exposition. Detectives? Thieves? No character is safe from suspicion.
Ah, the dumpling immortals. Charming, are they not?
Sometimes the story writes itself, I swear. My parents gifted me this pen when I became a mystery novelist. Sometimes the story writes itself, I swear. Sometimes the story writes detectives, thieves. No character is safe from suspicion. Sometimes the story writes the trick is to mislead the readers with a dual narrative. Try thinking outside the box. Sometimes the story... Now comes the line. The culprit is... Dear readers, I invite you into my world of mystery and wonder. Sometimes devoted fans request to solve a real crime case. Detectives, the dear readers, I invite you into my world of mystery and wonder.
Must protect my friends. Can't lose. Don't come near. I don't lose my prey. Where did I come from? Must. Who are you? Where? Can't. Where? I don't. Must.
I will never forget what I've done.
I am the greediest cookie there is.
Wonder what's awaiting us.
But he was here just a moment ago. I am well rested.
don't remember the last time I had a proper lunch.
Won't give up.
I will end this battle!
Will be mine!
This
is my penitence!
I will end this battle!
All will be mine! This is my penitence!
Show's over! I will end this battle!
All will be mine! This is my penitence!
Show's over!
Team fight. The stars are singing of our victory. May this dream have a happy ending.
Black Sapphire Cookie coming live from the scene.
you like merry-go-rounds?
Hey, Cream Puff Cookie! Wanna go shopping? You probably want to go to the bookstore again, right?
Yes, I did want to go, as a matter of fact. Finding that one special book, oh, it's like a treasure hunt.
Books are boring. Real magic is what's fun. But suit yourself. I'm gonna go buy some snacks. Come on, let's go!
Welcome, welcome. We have every book ever written on Earthbread. Come in and take a look. Your friends are leaving. Aren't you going to join them?
No, they'll come pick me up later. I want to see more books.
Oh, goodness! The books are running away! Come back here at once, you little ingrates!
I heard an explosion!
Oh, I don't know. Are you sure you can handle them? Oh, well, desperate times call for desperate measures. Thank you, young friend.
Oh, my. What do we have here?
Stop! Books, come back here! Please? Stop!
A few books ran that way.
Got one! Phew! Just stop!
Be careful. These books can leave some nasty paper cuts.
Oh, thank you.
Looks like you need a hand. May I help? Were you going to get...
Yes, that was my plan. I don't know who did this, but the book suddenly came alive.
I see. It seems the books are enjoying a little exercise. Well, de-animating objects is my specialty after all. All right, my dear books and tomes. Time to return to your shelves.
Oh, wow! Your magic circle is perfect!
Aw, thank you. Now that we've managed to get them together, let's put them in a sack.
Oh, my goodness. How can I thank you? No casualties, I presume? Let's see. 1, 2...
By the way, do you happen to know the way to the Institute of Magic? I can see the building, but I can't find a way in.
Oh, you need to go to the 4th street lamp on Central Street. I can show you the way.
Thank you, dear, but I think I'll manage. Besides, who doesn't love a little adventure? Let's have a latte when we meet next time. Toodaloo!
My peach garden lies high up, above the clouds.